Propane versus natural gas. Which one should you choose for your home and what's going to fit your lifestyle? Well, I'm here with Derek from the Ross Brothers team. We're going to be discussing exactly that, but you guys went through the process as far as deciding whether you're going to use propane or natural gas for the different fire features. So what was the thought process?
Well, originally we had no choice. So when we started the project 6 months ago, everything was scheduled and drawn up to be propane because they didn't have natural gas coming to the neighborhood. As we were talking about the fire feature, the client wanted to have a double level fire feature. And the concern was with propane is, unlike natural gas, which is light and floats, propane has the tendency to be much thicker and sit to the bottom, which causes a fire hazard. So when we started crossing that bridge, we said, well, maybe natural gas is a better solution. They actually came to me, the homeowners, and said they believe natural gas is coming. Let's look into it.
Okay.
They called the city. The city said, yes, 2 months is going to have. So we basically switched to natural gas. Now, propane, has a limited lifespan because you have a tank.
Right.
And when that tank runs out, you have nothing. Natural gas, of course, is being pumped in from the city, so you have an unlimited supply. You don't have to get refilled, and it's safer. So if there's ever an option to go natural gas versus propane, the solution is always natural gas. But in instances where natural gas is not available, then propane is your only choice.
So for effectivity, safety, everything, natural gas leads the way. Because I know you have the fire feature, you're gonna have the barbecue, you have different elements that you're bringing into this beautiful
And the
property.
generator.
And the generator as
So
well.
let's talk about that. Should a hurricane come and you have a propane tank, you have to count on someone to fill that propane tank. You're running a generator,
Right.
You're outdoor barbecue, you're going for a swim, there's nothing else to do.
Right.
So at the end of the day, having obviously natural gas pumped in is a better solution.
Awesome, makes sense. And we want to know if you're deciding between propane and natural gas. Comment below, let us know what your project is that you're going to be bringing in, that fire feature or barbecue or generator.